Now we discuss the example of the reciprocal equation. Suppose we have given this equation, say it is your equation number 1. Now we simplify this reciprocal equation. So first of all we check it is a reciprocal equation. How we can check it is a reciprocal equation? So you can put x it is equal to 1 by x in equation number 1. So our equation number 1 can be written as 1 upon x to the power 5 minus 5 times x to the power 4 plus 9 times 1 upon x cube minus 9 times 1 upon x square plus 5 times 1 by x minus 1 it is equal to 0. Now after simplification, what it implies? It implies that x to the power 5 minus 5 x to the power 4 plus 9x cube minus 9x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. That is, you can multiply this equation by x to the power 5. So once you can multiply this particular equation by x to the power 5, then we get equation number 2. Now, you observe that the equation 1 and 2, you observe that what it implies, the equation 1 and equation 2, they are same. That is, there is no change after putting x it is equal to 1 by x. Okay. So equation 1 is a reciprocal equation. Now it is a reciprocal equation. So what is our next step? To identify the type of the reciprocal equation. So how we can identify the type of the reciprocal equation? The coefficient of x to the power 5 is 1. Coefficient of the last term is 1, but they are opposite. Similarly, coefficient of x to the power 4 is 5. Coefficient of x is 5, but they are opposite sign. Similarly, 9 minus 9, they are opposite sign. So it is your reciprocal equation of type 2, and the degree of equation and it is equal to 5, so that it is your odd degree equation. So according to the previous lecture, when it is a type 2 of odd degree, then it has one root, x it is equal to 1. So here x is equal to 1 is a root of equation 1. X is equal to root of equation number 1. So it is a root of equation number 1. So by using the synthetic division method, by synthetic division method, we can solve this equation in this way: 1 minus 5, 9 minus 9, 5 minus 1, and we divide by x is equal to 1. That is, x is equal to x minus 1 is a factor of this equation. 1, then it is your 1, we get minus 4, minus 4, we get 5, then 5, then we get minus 4, then you get 1, 1 minus 1 it is equal to 0. So by factor theorem, we have fx is equal to 0, that is equal to x to the power 5 minus 5x to the power 4 plus 9x cube minus 9x square plus 5x minus 1 can be written as x minus 1 multiplied by x to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus 5x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. That is, this is your coefficient of x to the power 4, this is coefficient of x cube, this is coefficient of x square, x, and it is your constant term. Now we focus on this part. We are focus on this part, that is we find out the solution of this particular part. Now how we can find out the solution of this particular part? It is very simple. Now we consider x to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus 5x square minus 4x plus 1, it is equal to 0, and this equation is divided by x square. Once you can divide it by x square, then we get x square minus 4x plus 5 minus 4 upon x plus 1 by x square. It is equal to 0. Now you can write down x square plus 1 by x square in one bracket minus 4 x plus 1 by x plus 5, it is equal to 0. Say it is your equation number 3. Now put here x plus 1 by x, it is equal to t. Say it is your equation number 4. So x square plus 1 by x square, it is equal to t square minus 2. It is very simple. You can take the square of this bracket, then this is your a square plus b square plus 2ab. It is equal to t square. You can transfer this 2 here. Then we get the x square plus 1 by x square is equal to t square minus 1. Now putting all the values in equation number 3. So we have the t square minus 2 multiplied by 4t plus 5, it is equal to 0. So after simplification, we get the t square minus 4t plus 3, it is equal to 0. Now it is in a quadratic equation. Say it is your equation number 4. यह एक वर्ग समीकरण है और it is a quadratic equation. So how we can simplify t square minus 3t minus t plus 3, it is equal to 0. You can take t is common, t minus 3 minus 1 is common, t minus 3, it is equal to 0. Then you get t is equal to 3 and t is equal to 1. These are the roots of equation number 4, or you can say that the solution of equation number 4. But this t is connected with equation number 4. So case first, if we take t is equal to 3, then your x square plus 1 minus 3x is equal to 0. From equation number 4, you can put the value of t here. T is equal to 3. Then x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. After simplification, we get the x square minus 3x is equal to 0. Again, it becomes a quadratic equation. So how we can simplify quadratic equation? By using the formula minus b. So it will become plus 3 root over 9 minus 4ac, okay, divided by 2. So what is the solution of this equation? 3 plus minus root 5 upon 2. So we get the x1, it is equal to 3 plus root 5 upon 2. X2 it is equal to 3 minus root 5 upon 2. I think this line is clear. There is no doubt because it is a very simple calculation. Now we can take t is equal to, we can take t is equal to 1. So equation number 4 becomes x square plus 1 minus x, it is equal to 0. We can put t is equal to 1 in equation number 4. This is come with equation number 4. So we are again simplify by using the quadratic equation formula b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2. After simplification, we get 1 plus iota times root 3 upon 2. Okay. So what is your x3? x3 becomes to be 1 plus iota root 3 upon 2 and x4 becomes 1 minus iota root 3 upon 2. Okay. So since our equation number 4, this particular equation, you can take this particular equation is a biquadratic equation, that is the degree of this equation is 4. So we have the 4 roots, say x1, x2, x3. So total number of roots are 5. Why? Because the degree of equation is 5. So final answer is x is equal to 1, x is equal to 3 plus minus root 5 by 2. The another answer is x is equal to 1 plus minus iota root 3 upon 2. So hence we get the 5 roots of this reciprocal equation. So I can hope that you are understanding the solution of this reciprocal equation of type 2.